how to fix YouTube keeps signing you out. So first you want to open up your Chrome browser. Then you want to click on the three vertical dots on the top right and then go to settings and then click on privacy and security. And then you want to simply delete the browsing history by clicking on delete browsing data and then select all time and check browsing history, cookies and other site data, and then cached images and files. And then you will simply click on delete data. Now keep in mind that this will sign you out of all of the websites that you have signed in and will require pretty much to sign in again for everything that you have already saved. Now after doing that, you should be signed out of everything. So if you go to Google, you should see the sign in button right here. So you can click on it and simply sign in with a Google or Gmail account that is linked to the YouTube channel or the YouTube account basically. Now after signing in, you should go to youtube.com and it should automatically sign you into your YouTube account or YouTube channel. Now if it doesn't work straight away, you want to click on the sign in button right here if you're not signed in already. Now if you are signed in, you can simply click on the profile logo and then click on switch account right here. And from here you can add multiple YouTube accounts or YouTube channels. And once you do that, that should fix the issue of YouTube keeps signing you out. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.